What's up, family? Swing Trader Tone here. Good to see you. Good to see you. Today is day 358. Day 358 of trading. Let me go ahead and hide my panel so I don't see it. All right. What do we have today? I'm on the weekly chart. I'm gonna take a look at the daily chart. I'm gonna take a look at the 4 hour chart. I like the 4 hour chart because basically it's broke down. Each day is broken down into two bars. First 4 hours, second three and a half, basically 4 hours. Anyway, I see today Tesla's up 34 cents. My TSLL is 34 cents. Tesla's up $4.39. But as you know by now, I'm playing leverage shares. And that's my TSLL. That's my METU, UNHG. And then for my leaps, my leap options, I have Pfizer, Trade Desk, and Beyond. So I can see pretty much broke even today overall, maybe down a few bucks. We'll take a look at it in a second. But I think I told you guys yesterday that we are a little we're a little bit bullish. Well, we're actually bearish. Looking at the charts, we're bearish, but we know where it's going. We know we're about to be bullish. Um, in both Tesla and Meta. And like I said, I can't wait for them to pop. I'm still thinking probably like mid-February. Probably get targets hit late January to mid-February. We'll start seeing some huge profits, and we'll take a look at what happened today. I thought we were down a little bit today. We actually made 42 bucks, which is a good sign because the last few days has been down, down, little turn up. So that's a beautiful thing. My options account is down 53 bucks, but my shares account is up 95. Take a look at the options real quick. Um, Pfizer gave me 30 bucks today. Beyond gave me 21, and my trade desk both are down. Both my 100 strike and my 80 strike are down. That's going to be the one that gives me the most bread. Actually, probably with my next check, my next work check, I probably try to get some more Pfizer. I was doing some charting, and I'll show you in a second, doing some charting, and Pfizer is going to be, might give me about $1,500 a contract, man, when it's all said and done. And that's just the low target. So see, 1,500 times 15 contracts. Not bad, right? Not bad at all. You do the math, 225? Not bad at all. Let's take a look at my shares account. UNHG gave me 80 bucks. TSLO gave me 85, and MetU is going to be my laggard for. Actually, I think MetU is probably going to pop up faster than Tesla, to be honest. But it gave me negative 70 today. I'll show you why I think Meta will be the one. Looking at my daily chart, Meta is still bullish, even though short-term wise is bearish, but is actually hitting a resistance point. So it looks like, take a look at the MACD. I haven't talked about the MACD. You guys, man, I mean, when you're able to like start really being a technical trader and really see the charts, it's so relaxing, man. I'll tell you, it's so relaxing. You see what's about to happen. So the MACD is curling up, RSI is low. If you don't know what those are, go ahead and look it up. There's all kind of stuff on YouTube. Like I said, you already heard me say I'm not doing any teaching. It's just really chronicling. But yeah, Meta's probably gonna pop off before Tesla. But Tesla, truth be told, Tesla's is curling up too. So they're both gonna run together. Um, but I still think Meta just a little bit before. Um, UNH, UNH is already bullish on the hour. Pardon me, just looking at my clock, which I never started, so it is what it is. On the 4 hours bullish, daily is bullish. I mean, Meta's probably going to pop up to about 352, maybe even tomorrow. Maybe hit a little bit of resistance. You know what? It might just go, man. got some gaps up here. It's not really anything really stopping it, to be honest. So it might just pop. But if nothing else, it'll get to 352, 353, maybe come back a little bit, but I'm expecting UNH to run, man, which is a beautiful thing. I mean, I could literally make just a bunch of money playing these resistance and support lines. These are my weekly and monthly support lines. And you see how we're kind of traveling, right? In between them, boom, 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 boom. It's just a little jewel. Just a little bit of jewel for you. You know what I mean? What else is going on? Pfizer, why I say Pfizer. I got some targets on Pfizer that are there's some targets on Pfizer that are incredible, man. Maybe two and a half of where we're at right now, which option wise will give me a lot of bread. And you see in my options, I'm playing leaps, so I have plenty of time. Expiration is not until January 15th, 2027. Plenty of time. If I get some more contracts, they actually be just at 31 bucks. You basically take whatever number you see the last price and you multiply it by 100, so $2 get you 200, for a TTD at this strike price. Fives are 31 cents, $31. That's why I said probably maybe with my next check, man, I may mess around and just get maybe like, I don't know, maybe, eh, I wouldn't mind 50 contracts, man, and just holding them. And then, when it hits this first target, maybe take half profit there and let the other 25 run. Maybe I'll start off with just an extra 10, get up to 25, then from 25, 35. Maybe I just do 10 at a time until I get up to 50, something like that. But also would like to have 10 contracts each of this trade desk, this TTD. That's going to be a monster. That's going to be a monster. At least got to get five and get one more of each. You know what I mean? But once again, if you guys have any questions, you could definitely leave it in the comments and go from there. I'm probably going to clip this up for my TikTok people. Always have the whole video on YouTube. I take another video and try to keep it under 3 minutes for my Instagram folks. So on all these platforms, you get probably like a little different version. But I'm trying to focus mainly on YouTube. Get my subscribers up, get my likes up, blah blah blah. But that's where I'll probably be interacting more. People hit me on Instagram, which is cool, but I really want to focus on YouTube and grow that population, grow that family, and hope you guys make some money, man. Even though this is just chronicling and showing you me going from 20,000 to 200,000 in a year, I kind of would love it if we all did that. Man, would be nice. Anyway, man, we cut it short. Um, I'll see you guys. Today is Thursday. I might be a little bit late. Um, Posting tomorrow. I got to travel for work. Got to travel to LA tomorrow for work. And oh, by the way, when I did show you this account, just as a reminder, I think I took out 350, which were the dividends that I made on on my UNH. I made 200 and change. I think I had 300 in my account. I took it out today. Let's go look at the transactions. I think I took out 350. So that's subtracted from my total account. Oh, yeah, I took out 350 today. So when we go back and look at the complete view, that's why if you're trying to do the math and you're like, oh, wait a minute, you made 42, but your overall account is lower, like how they do that? I took out 350, take care of some things. I had to get my nails done. Whenever I go see a new client, which is one in LA, I had to go get the manicure. I can't be, you know what I mean, meeting and greeting, shaking hands and dealing with talent and have messed up nails. I'll go ahead and get the gel manicure, man. Get your gel manicure, man. All right. Anyway, but I will post sometime tomorrow. I think I get to LA like 4 p.m. So I have some time to post once I kind of settle in, settle down, and let you know what happens tomorrow. All right. Keep you posted. Keep studying. I mean, you gotta study. Gotta study. Go ahead and go to YouTube University, learn some things, and then hop back in the comments and let me know what you learned and run it by me and I'll let you know if that's fugazi or if it's official. You know what I mean? And help you out. All right. One love. Talk to you guys soon. Tomorrow. One.